Welcome back to Chartbusters. Let's focus on the Bajaj twins. Both of them are under some pressure. Abhishek joins us to dissect those numbers. Abhishek?
Well, both Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv reported the numbers yesterday. Bajaj Finance, the NI and PAT were a tad below our poll. However, the FY26 guidance is on the weaker side, and that's what spooked the investors in trade today. So take a look at the customer addition. It's expected to be at 14 to 16 million in FY26 versus 18.2 million that they have done in FY25. The AUM growth guidance has been lowered down to 24 to 25% from the earlier long-term range guidance of 25 to 27%. Net interest margin to remain stable as they expect the cost of funds to improve by 10 to 15 basis points in FY26. Fees and charges that will grow at lower than AUM growth of 13 to 15% in FY26. Credit cost to be in the range of 1.85 to 1.95%. Remember that in the previous year they have got credit cost of nearly 2% higher than their guidance as well, and this time around 1.95% continues to remain on the higher side as well. So return ratios have been lowered down with respect to expectation for FY26. ROA guidance has been cut down to 4.4 to 4.6 versus 4.6 to 4.8% earlier. ROE guidance has been cut down to 19 to 20% from the earlier guidance of 21 to 23%. With reference to Bajaj Finserv, the general insurance reported a weak show. Total premium over there was down about 9.65% YOY and 27% sequentially. In that, the gross written premium was down 13% YOY and more than 34.5% sequentially. With respect to the claim ratio in the general insurance, that saw massive improvement to 62.9% versus 70.3% on a year-on-year basis and 77.7% on a sequential basis. The PAT was down over there 4.5% on a YOY basis and about 9.25% on a sequential basis. With reference to the life insurance, that reported a good show. The income over there has increased massively on a sequential basis. However, the PAT was down both YOY and quarter-on-quarter. Back to you.
Right, Abhishek, thanks a lot for that. So that's about Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, the top nifty losers today. But Chef